Okay, so let me have the simple program on access ID. Sorry, access classes. Before that, access elements. Let me take first one, access elements. How to work with the access elements process. This one, access elements. If you want to access elements, how to do work? Let me take a new program. Access elements .html. Let me try to take multiple elements here. Web development. Okay, this is my h1. I need to take a similar element, similar name of elements multiple times. Multiple h1s are there, and now I'm trying to give in the h2. It should be something like a full stack web development, and this is h2. I took multiple h2s now. Finally, I'm writing script over there. Now access your, okay, only one h2. 3 h1s are there, one h2 is there. Now tell me how to access h1, first h1 or second h1. How to access second h1. How to access second h1. Tell me, document dot get elements by tag name of the tag is h1 of 1, not 0. 0 is the first element. This is the 0th element. Let me take a drawing. This is the 0th element. This is the 1 element. This is the 2 element. But my requirement is what? h1 of 1. This one. h1 of 1. I want to access the second h1. Second h1 means index 1. Second h1 means index 1. Okay. Okay, let me go. Clear the drawings. And okay, one more thing. Clear the drawings and close this. Tell me, I want to change the inner HTML. What is the meaning of inner HTML? I will tell you. So inner HTML, I just want to give the Datascience. Datascience. Now refresh. Render in the browser. Render in the browser. Your browser got output. What is the output of the browser? For example, the second h1. But in the program, I'm giving every h1 title is web development, web development, web development. But in the output, second h1 got a Datascience. In the browser output, the second h1 got a title changed. In the browser output, the second element got a title changed. What is the title here? Datascience. Why? Why means a very simple thing. In script, we are doing a DOM manipulation. In the script, we are doing a DOM manipulation. What DOM manipulation we are trying to giving? Access the second h1 and change text. And change text. When you want to change the text, what is the method we are using? Inner HTML. JavaScript is case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? When you have the small letter, you have to provide the small letter. When you have the capital letter, we need to provide the capital letter. Smaller is smaller, capital is capital. Smaller is smaller, capital is capital. That is what actually case sensitive means. Now, inner HTML, I small letter, N small letter, N small letter, E are small letters, and HTML capital letter. That is what actually called camel case. Now access the h2. Access h2. Access h2 and change text for h2. Tell me this one. Change text means again inner HTML change. Inner. Same document dot get elements by tag name. Name of the tag is h2. Now the important things. How many h2s we have in the top of the document? How many h2s we have on top of document? On top of document, we have only one h2. Even single h2 we have. Whenever you are trying to accessing by the element name, all element names are similar element names are storing in one array. And again, you have to specify the index. Index is compulsory. Without index, it could not able to work out. Okay, so I want to give the output as a blockchain. For example, I want to give the blockchain here. When I say blockchain, that inner text got converted into blockchain. What inner text? h2 related inner text. h2 related inner text got converting into H2 related inner text is going to be converting into blockchain. So finally, if I render this program on top of the browser, just check in the browser, refresh the browser. I got okay, sorry, we got an issue somewhere. We got an issue. Let me go with the inspector and check the console where the issue got. I got an issue with identifier, unexpected identifier called X. Somewhere we have the X, somewhere in the program we have the X, where the X is available. Oh my God. In the 30th line, we have the X, that is unknown identifier. That is the issue. Issue in the 13th line. See, console is not only for console outputs. Console is basically checking the errors, find out the errors, track the errors in the program. When you find the error, automatically console is going to be reflecting you with red color mark. By seeing the red color mark, you can able to identify where the issue is available and how to solve the issue. If you want to solve the issue, first of all, you need to by heart the syntaxes. If you don't have the syntaxes in the remember part, then you cannot able to solve the issues. If you want to solve the issue in the proper way, first of all, error identification is important. Am I clear? Let me go to the browser and check the browser now. Check the browser now. Okay, so I got a blockchain here. The second H1 already updated as data science, and H2 already updated as blockchain. DOM operation is performing. DOM operation is performing. This is access elements practical way.